Welcome to week one. Each week at the beginning of the week, I'm going to provide one of these videos to talk through a little bit about what I hope to accomplish with you this week. It will give you a little bit of an insight into the subject and the main topic, the main ideas for the week. And also I will give a brief description of the assignments that you're expected to complete throughout the week. If there's anything that is raised in our discussions online, maybe I can chat about those in this video as well. You'll see on this page the different things that we're asking you to do for this week. Every week, at the beginning of the week, you'll be doing what's called a devotional. You're going to be reading a document called The Character of a Methodist, which is a short description that John Wesley used to describe to both his own Methodists and those who weren't a part of Methodism, to describe to them what is truly expected of a true Methodist. And so each week I'm giving you a little bit of that, and I want you to reflect on that. The pre-assessment for week one is simply a tool for me to get to know you better and for your other classmates to get to know you as well. This is just a brief bio, some questions that I'd like to ask you just to get a little bit of an idea of who's in my classroom. The chat forums each week are very important because this is our opportunity to engage with one another in discussion. I will raise a question or two about readings that you have been doing, and we will chat together in our discussion forum. I will try to engage with you, but also engage with one another as you read what each other are saying in response to the question. And then at the end of the week, you will have a Methodist Distinctives paper. This refers to the article that you read by Randy Maddox. And that assignment is simply to give me a better idea of where you are in your knowledge and understanding of Wesley Methodism in 18th century. It's a brief article, but it gives a good insight into this time period that we're going to be looking at. And then finally, you have your Irigoyen exam. This again is the brief history book on John Wesley and Methodism, and you'll be taking the exam, which is a multiple choice exam, at the end of the week on this text. And again, that will give you an opportunity to show me that you've been engaging in the reading and you've got a good idea at the beginning of this class, in this first week, of the 18th century, of John Wesley's context, and of some of the things that we're going to be looking at over the course of the 6 weeks. It's really important to get context when you're doing historical studies, especially when you're doing theological studies. You need to know where these people are coming from, which will help you understand why they think in the way that they think and why they discuss the things that they discuss. So, week one, welcome to it, get to it.